Thank you, Father. All around me. Thank you. You don't have to be alone either.
Just left 2 hours ago from Villaputzu. And the engine is on, a little bit support. The wind is blowing 13 knots and then 9 or 8 knots. So a little bit support of the engine and up to Sicily.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of a rough sailing, not because of the hard wind, because of the waves. Waves were very big and the autopilot couldn't cope with it, so we had to steer ourselves. Now he's dealing with it.
But no, sleepy.
No, we're very tired now.
Yeah.
Steering from 11 o'clock until 5 o'clock.
Yeah. But now we can enjoy the sun who's going under.
Yeah, we're going into like a gap.
Yeah.
You see, I got the new thing, the blue circle there, where the sun is. But over there, big clouds. They are passing like that.
You don't have to be alone either. Thank you. You don't have to be alone either. Thank you, Father. All around me. Thank you.
It's almost 2 o'clock and Roy's in bed resting. I hope he will rest a little bit and sleep. There was a lot of lightning, but that is gone. Far away. Yeah, the boat is running fine. And I think 5.5 knots. So, and we did more than the half of the journey. So that's good. Yeah. It's almost my turn to go to bed to have a little sleep, so I'm looking forward to it. And look, above my head, the moon. Yeah.
It's 3:30 in the night, of course. because it's dark and the wind drops in such a way that you can't sail anymore. Of course you can always sail, but we have a dog and he has to have a poo-poo on land. He doesn't do a poo-poo on the boat. So a little bit hurry, so it's okay. The moon is there, the lightning is there, and even a sailboat passed us.
And there is the moon.
Yeah, and I see on the right a little dot on the water. That's the sailboat, just past us.
Yeah. It's 7:30. I did a 3-hour sleep and now Roy is resting. So, it's light and the lightning is still there, but not too close, so I hope it stays away. A little bit tired now, oh. But we're almost there. Yeah, we made it almost. The little island is over there. That's fine. We had a good night, except the lightning. The lightning was around us, and I think we had a bit of luck because it wasn't
Right
above us.
yeah.
So it was very, how do you say that?
In
Light.
Dutch, under the lightning.
Yeah, in your eyes it hurts.
Yeah.
It's very bright. And
There was a lot of it.
yeah. So we were a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah. But now,
What happened if you get get strike?
yeah, your
It's
boat
not
is,
funny.
is not working
Yeah.
anymore.
All electricity is gone.
Yeah. Maybe you
And-
have a hole
Yeah.
somewhere
Yeah.
in your boat.
Yeah. You have to find it. And you have to call a mayday, but nothing is working.
No. So they say you have to put your telephone or your mobile phone in the oven
Yeah.
and with your hand mobile phone,
Yeah. The handheld.
the
I had
handheld.
a VHF.
Yeah, maybe he's working.
Yeah. But this is a small one and it's for 2 miles only.
Yeah.
So now there's a ship there. He can save us. And there's a little sailboat behind us.
Yeah.
Nobody around.
No. So it's not strange that we are a little bit nervous.
No, you must be.
Yeah.
You must be alert to yourself. Because if it happens, you must act very quick.
Yeah. And it was raining.
Yeah.
Roy was in bed and I was in the rain.
Yeah.
But everything was wet, so I could clean a little bit. Because when you do overnight sailing,
Yeah.
then everything is a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's no problem.
No.
Well, we almost now in Sicily.
Yeah. First, there are, I think, 3 islands on the coast of Trapani.
But,
And we do the first the island. I don't know the name. Ristretto, Amaretto,
yeah, you forget.
Risotto. I don't know.
Risotto sounds nice.
But one of the 3 islands we gonna for Nanje, for the dog.
Yeah.
So there's how do you say that in English? It's an anchor thing. Some buoy.
Yeah, anchor boys
Yeah.
in a bay.
Yeah. Because there's a nature reserve.
Yeah. You can anchor with your own anchor, so you have to take a buoy.
Yeah. And we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
So we left from Sardinia, and we're now on a different island, Sicily. So that means changing the flags. This one. Look, this is a nice one. Reminds me of the island of Man. Also 3 legs, without the woman in the middle. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Morning.
Good morning. It's a beautiful morning.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we thought we're going outside and have some breakfast because maybe it's the last outside.
And I just jumped in the water. It was very cold.
Yeah.
It dropped down very fast. From last month was 27, and now I think maybe it's 20,
Yeah.
maybe 18. I don't know.
Ew. So no more swimming, I think. Not for me anymore. So, but now we're going to eat something, have some tea, and enjoy the view.
Gentlemen in the mix.